Dear learners, welcome back to this session. This is part 8. So today we are going to discuss one of the important part of a sentence, and it's called preposition. So what is preposition? Actually, preposition is an important part of a sentence, an important part of English language. It is used to show a relationship between the noun and pronoun in a sentence. So there are 5 different types of prepositions. Number 1, simple preposition. Number 2, double preposition. Number 3, compound preposition. Number 4, participle preposition. And number 5, phrase preposition. So first we are going to discuss simple preposition. Simple prepositions are words like at, for, in, of, on, over and under. I am giving you an example of simple preposition. He sat on the chair. So in this sentence, on is preposition. I am giving you one more sentence, one more example. She was hiding under the table. She was hiding under the table. So under is the preposition and it's simple preposition. One more example for you. He drove over the bridge. So over is the preposition. So now coming to double prepositions. Double prepositions are two simple prepositions used together. For example, into, upon, onto, out of and within. I am giving you an example of this. So it is up to us to find the answer. So it's up to us to find the answer. So up to is preposition. One more example. Once upon a time there was a beautiful princess. So upon is again a preposition. So now coming on third preposition, it's compound preposition. Compound prepositions are complex preposition consists of two or more words, usually a simple preposition and another word to carry locations. Example, in addition to, on behalf of, in the middle. So example, we are in the middle of a storm. So in the middle is preposition. One more example, aside from singing, she also plays the piano at the bar. Aside from singing के अलावा she also plays the piano at the bar. वो piano भी play करती है. कहाँ पे? बार में. So now coming to fourth preposition. So fourth preposition is participle preposition. These prepositions are ending with ed and ing. Examples, considering, during, concerning and provided, etc. Example, the teacher said no talking during the class. So in this example, during the class, during is preposition. Again I am giving you one more example, like considering his age, he did a great job. So considering is a preposition in this sentence. So fifth one is phrase preposition. So phrase preposition include on time, at home, before class, on the floor, etc. Example, we met to discuss the project before class. So before class is preposition in this sentence. So one more example, I will get to the conference on time. I will get to the conference on time. So on time is the preposition. So now I am going to tell you the most important and often used prepositions. These are at, on, in. Remember, at, on, in. So at is used to describe time, place, group activities, good at, bad at, numbers and directions. Exact. So now comes on in, where we should use in. In use when something is located inside of a flat space like a yard, or a three-dimensional space like a box, house, a car. The space does not need to be closed on all sides. For example, there is a water in the glass. There is a water in the glass. So in is proposition. So on. Use on when something is touching the surface of something like floor, beach, or a vertical surface like a wall. We also use on for the surface of body parts. For example, they hung pictures on the wall. On is preposition. We hang pictures on the wall. One more example, he has a tattoo on his arm. He has a tattoo on his arm. So on is preposition. So dear learners, these are quite small words, but their use is varied. These words play an important role in a sentence and define specific things. So keep practicing and learning. So we'll catch you up in next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.